news. So, do not forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon to get latest news super fast. Following the Galaxy A5 2017, which started receiving the update to Android 8.0 Oreo earlier this month, now the A3 2017 is joining the fun. The update is currently rolling out over the air for units purchased from Russia. As of now, it seems that it hasn't made it to any other countries, but that is unsurprisingly going to change in the future. It might take quite a while for this rollout to become global, however, with Samsung's Turkish arm anticipating a release for the A3 2017 in June. Hopefully other markets will be more lucky. If you have a Russian-bought A3 2017 and haven't yet seen the update notification, you can go to Settings, Software Update and manually check for the new software. It comes bundled with the April security patches. It's interesting to note that the Korean company's 2016 flagships, the S7 and S7 Edge, still haven't received the Oreo update, while mid-rangers such as the A3 2017 are treated more favorably from this point of view. Oreo for the S7 pair should apparently arrive next month, according to the latest information. What's your take on this? Do share your views via comment section below. And like always, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. I will be back shortly with another news. Till then, have a great time ahead. Bye bye.